What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. Today I'm gonna be shining the spotlight on a trading platform that is quickly capturing the attention of Canadian investors. Many traders, both novice and experienced, are starting to notice what it offers. They built it with a strong focus on user-friendly interfaces, diverse account options, and a global range of investment tools. The platform is called QuantaNorth, and it's emerging as a smart and trusted choice for Canadian traders who want to elevate their market strategies. Whether you're dipping your toes into online trading or you're just looking for high-level VIP features, this platform aims to support all levels of financial ambition. When you step inside this platform, you can see how clean and polished everything looks. The layout is sleek and makes it easy to access key features like market analytics, portfolio management, and real-time trading tools. As you can see, guys, the design is built with the user in mind and keeps things simple while giving maximum control. The trading dashboard shows a full view of the markets with live data streams, customizable charts, and AI-supported market indicators. You can trade Forex, stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies with tools that are strong enough for professionals but still easy for beginners. What's cool is that new users only need to fill out a short online form with basic personal details and verify their identity through standard KYC protocols to get started. And what really stands out here is how many trading options they offer. As you can see, guys, QuantaNorth gives investors access to a big range of instruments. You can trade Forex pairs with major, minor, and exotic currencies that have competitive spreads. They also have stocks from markets in the US, Canada, Europe, and Asia. The platform also lets you trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more with real-time market tracking. This level of diversity helps traders build customizable portfolios, manage risk better, and find opportunities across many sectors and regions. And on top of all that, QuantaNorth has loaded the platform with smart tools and strong security to help traders stay ahead. They offer AI-powered trade recommendations that use machine learning to track real-time market patterns and suggest trades. Risk management tools are built in, so you can set stop loss, take profit, and trailing stops easily. What's more, there is a full learning hub with video tutorials, ebooks, and webinars that cover technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. And if you maybe like to trade on the go, their mobile app is fully functional and optimized for performance. What's also very important to highlight is the fact that security is a top priority here because they use SSL encryption, two-factor authentication, and segregated client accounts to protect funds and data. They also keep pricing, fees, and execution policies transparent to build trust, and a dedicated customer support team is available 24/7 by chat, email, or phone. Many users say that the team is fast and knowledgeable, especially during volatile markets or urgent trade questions. And all of this comes together into a platform that really delivers a full experience for traders. As you can see, guys, the clean design and the big selection of assets really help you feel ready to trade with more confidence. They have advanced tools and a strong education center that keeps you learning and growing all the time. So if you want a place where you can learn, trade, and feel supported as you grow, this platform is definitely worth checking out. If you found this video valuable, make sure you hit that like button, share this with your trading friends, and subscribe to Altcoin Goddess so you never miss the next big opportunity. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.